Newsletters are booming. Platforms like Substack and Beehiiv let you build an audience and monetize with ads, affiliate links, or paid subscriptions. And with AI tools, you can curate content in minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in the US and want a fresh way to earn money online in 2025, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to make $100 a day curating AI-powered newsletters. No selling, no coding, just smart content. Choose a niche with high demand, like personal finance, remote jobs, or AI tools. Use Google Trends and Reddit to find what people are talking about. Use tools like Feedly, ChatGPT, or Mailbrew to gather trending articles, summarize them, and format them into a newsletter. You can even automate this weekly. Create your newsletter on Beehiiv or Substack, add a catchy title like AI Money Weekly, or Remote Job Radar. Use SEO keywords in your description to attract organic traffic. Once you hit 500 plus subscribers, monetize with affiliate links, sponsored shoutouts, or paid tiers. Beehiiv even has built-in ad networks for newsletter creators, and that's how you can earn $100 per day curating AI newsletters in 2025. If you want a full tutorial on setting up your first newsletter, drop a comment and subscribe for more hidden gem side hustles.